Southland Log Homes has more than 40 years' experience in designing log cabin kits and homes. We're recognized as the industry leader and America's most award-winning designer, and with good reason. Here at Southland, we believe that craftsmanship and quality should be the hallmark of every log home we create. From the use of sustainable, natural, and renewable materials to the personalization that can be incorporated into every home, Southland can provide everything needed. Whether that's working and getting support from our project managers or designers at our corporate headquarters, or getting additional guidance with construction, financing, and finding a builder, we're with you every step of the way. In fact, Southland has more than 350 plans you can use or customize to help bring your log home dream to life. We can also help design the perfect home from scratch. Many are one-of-a-kind designs that are built to reflect the owner's personalities. After deciding on a design, your log home will begin taking shape in our new 150,000 square foot facility, which has enabled us to expand our manufacturing capabilities and take the entire process completely indoors, rather than having to mill and store your materials outside. Southland sources southern yellow pine and eastern white pine from sustainable forests and harvests new growth trees. Using a network of lumber mills, raw logs are first debarked and turned into what are called cants. These cants arrive by truck at Southland in large pallets, where they await further milling according to a home's specifications. Choosing those cants is not as simple as picking a bunch from the pile. For quality and durability, we pick cants that have a center cut. These are the strongest logs. All logs will have small cracks or checks that define their unique natural character without detracting from their strength or insulating abilities. Southland is careful not to use cants with excessive checking when milling for a home. Next, the logs are off to the kiln to be dried. Southland uses a dry kiln that bakes the cants until moisture content is low. This helps stabilize the logs, provide increased quality, and prevent any twisting or warping. The baking process depends on the type of logs, their size, and the time of year. After baking, we allow the logs to cool down and acclimate before they're run through the planer. Every Southland home is designed using the latest architectural software that allows for a high level of customization and accuracy. This produces precise measurements and stacking diagrams, so builders know where each log goes for more efficient construction. The architectural software also produces cut sheets that helps the millers cut exact lengths and corner profiles according to a home's blueprints. It's part of what allows Southland to personalize and create much more tailor-made homes for every customer, compared to selling random length logs, where builders are required to cut material to length on the build site. As the cants are fed through the planer, the rectangular shape is shaved down to create a log's profile. Once through the planer, the log is cut to length and corner profiles are created. To ensure additional accuracy for the home building process, logs are marked with specific delineations that parallel what's labeled on the cut sheet. This cut sheet technique is a little more labor-intensive, but Southland believes it creates a better fitting and more refined and finished product. It's also another opportunity for quality control. Southland also likes to take a little bit of an innovative approach when it comes to bundling and stacking logs for customers' homes. Rather than stacking them according to a home's level, we bundle to maximize the number of logs that can fit onto trucks. This reduces freight costs and delivery times. Just by being a little more efficient, we can save thousands of dollars in shipping. After the logs for your home are bundled, the next step is a good soak in the dip tank. The tank contains a natural, environmentally friendly salt solution that helps preserve the wood while giving it lasting protection. Southland also provides everything you need to make your home weather-tight. That includes everything from the interior wall framing lumber to the exterior log walls up to the roofing materials and shingles, and even the exterior windows and doors. Also, your floor joists, flooring, and finished flooring are included when building on a crawl space or basement. Other Southland distinctions include a channel across the base logs for easy electrical wiring, and we help to ensure that plans meet all permitting and code requirements at your home's location. We even supply builders with a stain that penetrates the logs and helps protect them from the elements. Now that you've seen the kind of craftsmanship and attention to quality that goes into each and every Southland log home, all that's left is to create your own custom home. We're here to give you guidance and to help simplify the building process. So start making your log home dreams come true today.